viewers. This is your map commissioner, and today we're going to talk a little bit about updating, or what we call syncing, a map. Every night, overnight, we take a look at all of your Google Sheets, and if you've made an update, we update your map accordingly. But sometimes overnight is not frequent enough, and our users want to go ahead and update their maps on demand. That's a really easy process. All you really have to do is head up here to Maps and give it a click, and then find the map that you want to update. So here we'll choose a map of Tampa. From here, we'll go ahead and click on Manage, which will pull up the information about your map. And then if we scroll down just a little bit, we'll see the Sync button. So we just tap on the Sync button, and you see an update up here indicating that your map is in the queue for processing, and we'll let you know via email once it's done. It's a pretty quick process, so you can go check your email and see that the actual update has taken place. It's that simple. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day.